Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to share with you some Christmas DIYs, so let's get started. Alright, so the first two projects that I did were putting the words cocoa and coffee into picture frames. I had this white picture frame that opened up like a book and it had these screws on the back side, and I'm taking them off right now. You can literally just use any two regular picture frames, but this is what I had and I really wanted the white frame in this exact size and I couldn't find it anywhere else.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been
These stickers I got from Menards. I don't remember how much they were. I think it was like 49 cents for a pack. I'm not that sure, but I'm just trying to measure it out on the paper just to make sure, and I'm touching them over because cocoa is spelled with 5 letters, so I'm just making sure I have enough room for it to fit on the page, and then I'll do the same thing for the words coffee on the next paper.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about. I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
And the bold letters are not really my style, but after seeing it inside the picture frame and all ready to go, I am actually really happy with how it came out, and I cannot wait to put it up.
Christmas to you.
So next I did this Christmas tree countdown. I just used a dry erase board that I had at the house, and I had some numbers from Menards, that little wreath I got from Target's clearance section, and the black magnet I just had from a dry erase board that I had gotten from Five Below. So for this DIY project, I had the biggest rookie mistake when I was recording. I'm going to put a clip in to show you. I'm not going to show you the entire from beginning to end how I did it, but look, My shoulder. I made the biggest rookie mistake, and throughout the entire time I'm recording, I thought I didn't have my shoulder in the way or any of my body parts in the way, but my shoulder was literally covering the entire time that I was making this, and I just didn't realize it. But what I did was I wrote the numbers into the Christmas tree to kind of feel where I would put the stickers, and I was measuring it with the stickers next to the numbers as I was writing them. So I'm pretty much just placing the stickers kind of where I would want them, where I put those numbers from. And I'm not going to show the entire way of how I made this because you could just kind of see it right here. And my freaking shoulder is in the way, but this is pretty much how I did it. And here is another clip, just one last look of it. Once I was done putting all the stickers on, whenever I wrote out the numbers, there was still some of that like residue on there. So what I did was just wipe it down with the Clorox wipe, and I might put some stickers or lights on it. I'm just not quite sure yet. So next I made a winter bucket list, and I was so happy how this turned out. I just used a tray. I'm not quite sure where I got this. I got this tray years and years ago. So I picked up some black chalk paint, and I didn't know what kind of brushes to use. I've never used chalk paint before. So first I just wiped it down with the Clorox wipe.
So I'm offering this sample phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
So when I took the tape off after 2 coats, this is what it looked like. All I did was grab an angled paintbrush and put some more chalk paint to the edges without tape this time.
Isn't there anyone who knows
This is the final look, and it came out looking so good. I cannot wait to start crossing stuff off, and this was probably one of my favorites, and I cannot wait to put it up.
Chestnuts.
For the last DIY of the video was a hot cocoa bar. I knew I didn't want anything over the top or like high in decorations, so everything that I got here was from the dollar store, and I just kind of put it all together. It took me a minute to kind of figure out how I wanted it to look, but I am really happy with how it turned out.
Oh, it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this sample phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
do want to comment on these labels or these tags. They are really big compared to the jars that they're on, but I couldn't find any chalkboard labels at the dollar store, and I just really wanted to label them to make it look just a little better.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
And I know it's a little weird to be putting these chocolates inside of this kind of like squeeze, like squirt bottle, but with my kids, I just would have rather have it this way. I didn't want anything like easier access for them to get these out with and make a mess.
Many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said.
So as I was doing this, I was trying to figure it out how I wanted to place it, and I was going to use the metal basket, but I decided I'd rather had used these little wooden crates instead.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
So here's one last final look of how it came out. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to leave it right here on this part of the counter, but I do like how it came out, and like I said, how simple it was and how easy it'll be for me and my kids to make hot cocoa for the winter. But that was it for this video, guys. Please comment down your favorite DIY, and please try to make some yourself. Everything I got either from the dollar store or I just had here at home. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.
Merry Christmas.